always throws garbage here. Littering is a bad thing.
Littering is ruining our lovely neighborhood. It's spreading nasty diseases.
We should stop this.
But what can we do?
Sis, I'm starving. Let's go eat something.
Me too. Hey, don't forget your ball.
Assalamualaikum, Mama. Mama, we are hungry.
Walaikum-Assalam. Go wash yourselves first. You both look dirty.
Okay, Mama.
I will fix you guys something delicious. What's stinking? Why are there so many flies here?
Haadi. Haadi, don't laugh. Mama, see, Haadi has hit me.
I was throwing flies away.
How come there are so many flies here?
That's because of littering. Uncle Mahmood throws garbage here. Mama, how can we stop this?
That's bad. It's painful for others. Ask your Uncle Imam when he comes. He may advise something good. I am sure Quran has the solution to all problems.
How come so much garbage is here?
Assalamualaikum, Uncle Imam.
Walaikum assalam, kids. Can you see what's in my hand?
Yeah, chips.
Have these.
Wow, that's delicious. Thank you, Uncle. This is all because of Uncle Mahmood. See how many flies are moving around.
Uncle, how can we stop Mahmood, Uncle?
My dear kids, Prophet Muhammad said, cleanliness is half the faith. Let's see what more the Quran and Hadith say about this issue. Indeed, Allah loves the repentant, and He loves those who keep clean. Another Hadith says, beware of 3 things for which people may curse you. Do not litter in the places where water flows, where the people pass by, and places where there is shade. We must not only clean ourselves, but the places which are shared in public too. If it is not so, the curse will be on the neighborhood and its residents. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the best Muslim is that the hands and tongues of which other Muslims remain safe.
Sister, let's go to Uncle Mahmood and tell him. Assalamualaikum, Uncle Mahmood.
Walaikum assalam.
May we ask something?
Go ahead, kids.
If someone leaves garbage at your door, what would you do?
Oh, I would beat him up.
Why? What's wrong in that?
Oh, my house would look bad. We would all get ill.
Then why are you making our neighborhood dirty?
What do you mean?
When you throw garbage in the neighborhood, it also makes our neighborhood dirty and spreads diseases. Hasn't Ali had a fever due to germs last week?
Where should I throw it then?
In the dustbin.
And you can show me where it is?
We can collect money from everyone and put dustbins.
No one will give any money.
When people can donate from masjids and madrasas, they will also donate for this to get blessings from Allah.
There is no sawab in donating for dustbins.
The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that removing stones from the passage is also charity. So removing garbage becomes charity as well.
If someone presents verse of Quran or sayings of Prophet, peace be upon him, we should not argue that. Oh Allah, please forgive me. Since I have created all this mess, I would work myself to clean this. Guys, would you help me?
Yes, Uncle Mahmood, we will help you and we will also collect money. I'm sure Allah will help us.
Sis, let's go raise funds and we will go to Mama first.
Yeah, let's go.
Mama, please donate for the dustbins.
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
So friends, as we saw in this episode, that if there is a will to do a good deed, Allah also helps fulfilling it.
So you should try and clean your area as well.
So we will meet you in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Allah Hafiz.